I'm recording this now, so can you repeat the name one more time?
Nevi's in the truck with them. He had a chance to get away.
Well, I can't really zoom in at them at the same time. I see them go now. We talk about 10-15 rebels. And they are heading towards us now. Hide in the bush.
We gotta run. They're coming here. Hide in the bush. Hide in the bush. Lock your vehicle and run longer away. Oh no.
Okay, change to guns.
Holy shit.
Change to the guns, mate. Oh. Change to guns, mate. We will go to war now. Just spray,
Are you sure?
Just spray on the vehicle instead of dome. Okay?
Just. We're gonna kill so many cop man. Slackers, we gotta move longer away, man. Really.
Well, no, we don't go.
Just let the guys in the tower do it, man. They can hit us for sure. Up there they have really good spots.
So where is he at the moment? Is
Why
he
can't
coming
if you
towards
stay
us?
down there in case they run for us?
Greedy, do you see them?
Cause we don't we no.
No, Niklas, brems! Der er spikes, mand. Kør ind til siden, mand.
Microphone
Du
activated.
skal ikke holde med det hele, mand.
Kan I se dem, drenge? Kan I se dem på vej herned?
Who's that?
Ja, jeg kan godt se
Microphone
det.
muted.
One of our friends.
See one of us?
Microphone
Kommer de
activated.
herned af? Kommer de herned af?
Kør væk, Niklas.
Ja, det gør jeg også.
Niklas, er de på
Yeah,
vej herned?
Niklas.
Det ved jeg ikke.
Microphone muted.
I don't see them anymore, man. I think they drove into the airfield.
Can you see if they come down
Look,
the road?
look down at
Truck coming. Truck coming. Other side.
On the road or on the airfield?
It's on in the car park on the airfield.
Oh, okay. In that case,
He just stopped, man. This guy's got a lot of money, I bet.
Tobias Labidi.
oh. I see the truck, it's going the other
Who the hell
way.
shot? Were one of you shooting there?
The truck,
Yeah, I shot the truck tires.
Yeah, but he ran inside.
The truck ran away in the wrong direction. We lost it.
Yeah, one of the cop cars.
There's a truck on the yeah. There is a truck in the car park at the airport.
Yeah, but he's already inside. He's already inside. Under you. What the hell, man? Oh, the Himmel is coming back now.
He's running back to the car now.
No, the Himmel is reaching. Go away, slackers, man. Don't stand in the middle of the road. They see you easy.
Well, I'm just looking.
I
with
think you
my
already been
rangefinder.
spotted.
Nah, I'm just looking with my rangefinder. I don't see any vehicle, for God's sake.
There's an effort coming,
I don't see it.
which means that effort will lose its tires in 2 seconds.
I don't see
Hvad er
it.
det, I laver?
Ja, der er mange cops, der er blevet kidnappet. Eller blevet taget til fange af ATWA. Der er bare 5-6 panser. Og vi snakker bare 10.
Den kører
Ifølge
ind på
reglerne,
go-kart-banen. Den kører ind på lufthavnen nu. Den der Ifrit.
It's on the airfield.
Yeah, I see it.
Den er hen ved hangaren nu.
It seems like they're
Der
going
løber
to make a
sæt mange
pickup.
mennesker.
Yeah,
Jeg skal til det AT, de er jo nogle failers.
they are getting a pickup now.
Jeg kan ikke finde ud af med en skid.
One of these guys are looking with binoculars.
You guys
The
in
guy
the
with the
tower,
truck.
can you take shots at them?
This guy is looking with binoculars.
It takes shot seconds too.
ATWA.
De har to politimænd derinde.
Where is
Liggende
he?
på jorden nu. 3.
Can
They
you
are
walk him
just
with the-
leaving the cops.
Skal vi rykke ind, Asger?
Jeg kan ikke rykke ind, når vi kommer sådan lidt.
Det kan vi da.
De er alle sammen gået ud af bilen.
Vi
af
skal
den der
bare, vi
Ifrit.
skal bare skabe kaos, så vi kan få politierne til at gøre noget.
Politierne har ingen våben, de er blevet droppet.
Jeg så en panser med våben.
Det er dem, der har taget deres outfit på, Dennis. Ikke nogen af de der panser der har våben med.
Ja, okay, jeg kan se deres outfit. I see
Microphone muted.
PCSO Dennis P. I don't know if he's a hostage or not. Yeah, he's a hostage. You're forcing him down.
Der er 2 panser, der på rundt nu.
Hvor han ser du sådan cirka den der?
Microphone activated.
Herovre, kan du se mig, Asger? Jeg kan se bagsiden af Alfreden, og jeg kan se chopperen, og jeg kan se, at de bliver lagt ned nu. Vi burde nok rykke ind, hvis det er.
Og derovre.
Har du kaldt efter hjælp, Asger?
Ja, jeg har skrevet, om der er ikke nogen, der er sponsor på det, mand.
Jeg rykker altså frem for at hjælpe Asger, okay?
Men jeg er også fremme.
There's a police
De
car.
skyder efter helikopteren.
It's coming.
Det er ordentligt.
Snipe.
Okay, guys. Okay,
Microphone
guys,
muted.
we're going to give them a
Der er 5
ass
mennesker i
whooping.
alt. Der var en af dem, der lige blev skudt.
So if you can get shots at them, go ahead now.
2, der blev skudt.
Microphone activated.
Der står en politimand bag siloen. Jeg ved ikke, om I kan se ham.
Er han venlig eller fjendtlig?
Jeg vil sige, at han er venlig. Det er Nevi.
Jeg tror, om det er Nevi, han arbejder sammen med, hvis jeg skal være det med dig.
Jeg tror også, har han våben på, Niklas?
Yep.
Ja, han arbejder sammen med dem.
Ja, han løber over til dem nu.
Hvad er det, jeg sagde?
Cops coming to our position, need backup ASAP.
I'm too far away, man. If they enter, just shoot, man. The cops are corrupt, I'm not kidding. The PC Never guy have a heavy gun, but he's not shooting anyone. Them.
I have to move fast because I'm running out of food and water, so I will have to make a break for it.
Microphone muted.
Oh, there's a cop car driving. It's Snape, it's Snape. The Alfred is going.
I mean, no. I think
The
he
iPad
called
is
us.
going towards me.
He called.
Der kommer en politibil derned.
Oh shit, they got some guys. They got some guys handcuffed
It's
now.
Snape now.
They got some guys handcuffed now.
Yep.
I'm going down there.
Okay, now the PCNO, is he sent Alfred, the PC and Nevi guy? What the fuck? Now they're just gonna shoot those guys. They all getting into Alfred now?
Yep.
Now they all getting into Alfred, what the
Yeah,
hell?
this police is so corrupt.
Fuck, is the police driving an Ifrit?
I don't know.
Yeah, the police are. The police are fucking corrupt. I'm gonna tell them. Okay. Nu er der en, der skyder. Er det dig, Dennis?
Det er mig, det er mig.
Skyder du på?
Microphone activated.
Maybe, men jeg er blevet skudt af en panser og kom bag mig.
Vi laver ikke krig mod panserne.
Nej, vi laver krig mod de korrupte panser.
Hvor mange korrupte panser er der lige?
Der er 3-4 stykker her.
Og jeg har det hele på recording.
Booga igen.
Hvem er det, der sidder bag siloen? Er det dig?
Det var mig, mand.
Bare løb. De samlede dine ting op.
Er det ikke